Hey guys, I'm here with Luna from my new organization, the Secret STEM Society, or SSS for short. I'm super excited that we're going to be live streaming for the first time this Thursday at 8 o'clock. And Luna's going to let you know what materials you can bring if you wanted to join us for some live late night STEM. Luna, what materials do we need to bring?
First, we're gonna need 3 identical pieces of like aluminum foil or tin foil for the 3 boats that we're gonna make. And then we're gonna need like a container to hold all the water in. And then finally, you need something to like weigh it with, like paper clips or pasta or coins or whatever. And that's it.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Luna. All right, guys. So we are going to be live streaming fortnightly. That means every other week. Our first time is this Thursday at 8 o'clock. So to join us, just bring those materials. And you can come to the STEMcat YouTube channel at 8. See you there. Tell your friends.